Hello everyone, what's up? I hope all of you are fit and fine. So today I came back with my new long video as I had told that I had thought something special and I finally made up that. In today's video, I am going to give you some information about Eurasian Eagle Owl. So, without wasting the time, let's start up with my video. Eurasian Eagle Owl. The Eurasian Eagle Owl is one of the largest birds of prey in this world. This owl is one of the largest owls in the world. They mainly eat small mammals such as voles, rats, and rabbits, but also hunt woodpeckers, herons, and other birds, including other birds of prey. They also prey on amphibians, reptiles, fish, and insects. It is the second largest owl in the world. Females are typically larger than males. The Eurasian eagle owl typically has a length of 56 to 75 centimeters, which means 22 to 30 inches, and a wingspan of 131 to 188 centimeter, which means 4 feet 4 inches to 6 feet 2 inches, with some specimens potentially reaching 2 meter, which means 6 feet 7 inches. This owl mainly lives in the Palearctic ecoregion. This ecoregion includes Europe, Asia, Northern Africa, and the north central portions of the Arabian Peninsula. These owls can range from Siberia in the north to Ethiopian region in the south. The total population estimated to be between 1 lakh and 5 lakh individuals. The IUCN lists the bird's conservation status as being of least concern, although the trend is listed as decreasing. Remember one thing, if the population of Eurasian eagle owl will decrease like this, then the population of rats, mice, and insects will increase, which can cause a great trouble. Not only the human beings will be affected, but also the whole environment will be affected. It is necessary to save them. Now the time has come to stop the poachers and hunters from smuggling, killing, and from capturing them for their own benefit and wealthiness. And last of all, I want to tell you all that this earth is not our property. Like us, human beings, the birds and animals are also have the equal right to live in this earth peacefully. This video is not only to give information about Eurasian eagle owl, but also to make you aware that how the population of birds and animals are decreasing due to some cruel human beings. Animals and birds are also needs to be saved. If you think that it is necessary to save animals and birds, then make sure to comment yes. And if you want to know more about animals and birds, please make sure to subscribe my channel. Thank you, love you all, take care and save animals, save birds, save nature and save your mind.